incredible ride, 15-minute ride, all around the Cocoa Beach area, down to the pier, out to the Cocoa Beach Minuteman Causeway, back over to Patrick Air Force Base, and back up to the Space Center to Port Allison. What were your impressions of the ride?
It was incredible. I've never seen the coast from that perspective. We saw manatees, we saw people on the beach. It was breathtaking. I don't know. I was excited the whole time. I couldn't stop smiling. My cheeks still hurt. I loved it.
Yeah, the manatees. Yeah. We must have seen 50 or 60 manatees out there. They were just frolicking around the Cocoa Beach Country Club, and all the folks on the beach. There was a surf contest going on. We saw how they undertowed there, all on the beach with the surf. It was just an incredible trip. So we highly recommend it. Come out and try it.
Yeah.